After more than 3 decades working in a range of technology specialties, I've quit my day job and started a consulting firm. Some people have asked me, why would you do that?
Why would you do that?
IT is hard, it's complicated, it's complex, and getting it wrong can destroy an otherwise successful business. Larger companies have the resources to hire multiple people to fill these different specialty roles: infrastructure, database, tech support, security, compliance, backup, business continuity, development, testing, DevOps.
Can I just use AI to do everything?
Oh, yeah. Then there's the whole AI thing. So how can a small or medium-sized business handle this? You need a CTO. But unless your business is technology focused, you probably don't need one every day. You need a virtual CTO. Someone who can support you and help you when you need it, and stop costing you money when you don't. So where do you find a virtual CTO? I've seen the highs and lows of what technology can do in a business. I've seen businesses struggle to reach that next step of growth. It's a very dangerous time between small and medium-sized business. I want to support both businesses and technology professionals through these challenging times, and to emerge on the other side with the confidence, the skills, and the tools that they need to succeed. That's what I'm passionate about. My goal is to improve the availability, efficiency, and quality of IT leadership. I'm doing this by providing direct expertise to companies in a consulting role, such as virtual CTO, strategy and roadmaps, AI adoption, technology assessments, and interim leadership. As I mentioned before, I've worked in technology for over 30 years. I've been in a variety of roles, from tech support to administration to database work to software engineering. Initially, I fought the transition to management myself. Early in my software development career, I found a real passion for creating tools and improving processes so that I could multiply the success of others. But then I realized I could have that same positive effect directly on people. I could help them to thrive and succeed, to meet and exceed their goals, and ultimately to be better at their job and enjoy it more. And that's what drew me to management. And that's what has prompted me to create this business and this channel, IT Multiply. So if you'd like help with these issues or something else technology related, please feel free to reach out to me at itmultiply.com. I'd love to help.